What's up, food lovers? So today's episode, or today's show, I'm gonna do a ShaBang sauce. For the boiled shrimp, I'm gonna show you how to boil. We got fresh shrimp, and then we got some crawfish that's left over from my boy Claudio. So hit him up if you want crawfish. These are huge. These are good selected size. So hit him up. I'll have his phone number down the bottom, and he'll be waiting for your call. And make sure you tell him it's from Tony Two-Ton. All right? Make sure you subscribe and smash the like button for me. And right now, we're about to go get some ingredients to make the ShaBang sauce, the Asian ShaBang sauce. All right? All right? All right? Let's go. Today, we're gonna make ShaBang sauce. ShaBang sauce came from boiling crab up in the West. So, up in the West, California West. So, we're gonna do a copycat of boiling crab ShaBang sauce. Here, we got fresh shrimp from the Gulf, really fresh. Here we got frozen crawfish that I'm gonna show you how to reheat it up. The way you reheat this up is you want a big pot, have a little bit of water, put a little bit of seasoning just to steam the crawfish up and reheat it. You don't want to reboil it or nothing. Just steam it up. This is the best way to reheat your crawfish. Why you want to reheat your crawfish? Because either you can't finish it, or you want to ship it out to your cousin or relative up in the West, up in the North or South, wherever you want to bring it. They usually boil it first and then they ship it out. And this is the best technique to reheat it. So with that said, we're gonna get started, okay? Here we got some garlic. Let me chop it up and we're gonna get started. All right, we'll be right back. Here we go, guys. Water's boiling. We want to take the seasoning. Just add a little bit, maybe a cup, 2 cups, just for the aroma of the seasoning. Ooh, that's all you need. A little bit. It's a little bit, all right? We're gonna steam the crawfish, the cooked crawfish. We're gonna steam it. Take the crawfish, pour it in. Then, close it up. We turn back on the fire. All right, guys, after 15-20 minutes of steaming it, maybe not that long, 10 minutes, wait until the crawfish is heated up nice and hot. Take it out. We're gonna scoop it out. Ooh, look at that. Okay, see that? Nice and goodish. With that right there, we turn back on the fire, let the water boil, then we're gonna throw in the shrimp. With the water boiled, throw in the shrimp. Just like that. Turn the fire back on. I turn it off because, you know, you can't hear me over the loud burner. So now we turn it back on. 2 to 3 minutes. That's all you need. And cut it out. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. All right? Let's do this. Shrimp should be cooked. Look at these babies. You see them? Let's go. We set it aside. Now we're gonna do the ShaBang Sauce. Yeah. So here we are, set up for the ShaBang Sauce. We're using unsalted butter. We're gonna use all of this. This is about 4 sticks of butter. Let's peel it out. We got the pan nice and hot already. If you have more portion, means more butter, more garlic. All right? Here. Butter Nation. Let this melt down, and then we're gonna put the garlic in. So with the butter nice and hot, it's all melted. We have here 3 cups of garlic, freshly chopped, freshly peeled, of course, and we're about to throw it in. This is garlic butter. Here we go. Look at that. See that? Yeah. With that, we're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. 1. Paprika. If you like spicy, put as much as you want. But my family, I love spicy, but my family can't eat that much spice, so we're gonna put a little bit. Maybe half a teaspoon, or maybe even less. Can't even get it in. Hold on. Three tablespoons of lemon pepper. Three tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. Three tablespoons of garlic powder. Cayenne pepper. Like I said, if you like spicy, as much as you want. We don't, but like half a tablespoon. Crystal, Louisiana crystal sauce. 3 tablespoons. Finish it off with 1 lemon. Squeeze it in. Mix it up. Voila. ShaBang Sauce. See that? Now we take the shrimp with a mixing bowl. Pour a little bit of the ShaBang sauce in. Mix it up. Toss it. All that goodness. There we go, guys. ShaBang style. Here's the crawfish. Ouch. That was hot. Toss it up. So everything is finished. ShaBang shrimp, ShaBang crawfish. Let's try these fresh shrimp right here. Shrimp, break off the head. Peel the first layer. Second layer. Pinch the tail. Fat old piece of meat right here. So good. Yes. Fresh shrimp. Delicious. Crawfish, ShaBang style. That's it. See these crawfish? Big crawfish. That's it. ShaBang style. That's how you reheat crawfish. That's how you boil shrimp. ShaBang style. Alright? Smash the like button for me. Smash the subscribe button for me. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Bye.